nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think, let it think. Hey, let it think, let it think, let it think.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will cook this quick and easy garlic noodles. It's like eating an instant pancit canton without the guilt, since we will be using low-carb ingredients. Let's begin. Here are the only ingredients that we need. First, let's mix 3 teaspoons of cocoa aminos with 1 stick of sweetener. If you're not on a low-carb diet, you can use normal soy sauce and sugar. Mix it well. Set it aside. Now, on a preheated frying pan, let's put 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Set it on a low heat, then saute the garlic for 1 minute. After 1 minute, let's now add the cocoa aminos and sweetener mixture. Cook it for 30 seconds. Then add the cooked shirataki noodles and stir it to the mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes. We can now transfer it to our serving plate and eat it as it is. If you feel fancy, you can also garnish it with some spring onions and sesame seeds. I also added a fried egg on top, cause why not? And there you have it. We can now enjoy it without the guilt. that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.